You want to run apps in PC? Then you are at right place. Hi guys, this is Brian from Root Mentor. This video helps you to run apps in PC. You can even run the games with large OBB files. So without a further introduction, let's go. Hey Mohith. Roll the intro. To run apps in PC you need a third-party software, also called as emulator. The emulator used in this video is BlueStacks. To download the software, open your browser. Search for BlueStacks. Open the link. Now you can see the UI of the website. Click on the download, which will start downloading a small file. Open the file. And click yes on the admin tab. Now it will open Setup Wizard. Just click install. This will download all the required files, and it will automatically install them. After installing finished, it will launch the BlueStacks. At the first time of opening it will take 2 to 3 minutes to load, and it will pop up like this, which contain either to log into Google account or you can do it later. Here you can search for games and apps. This the newsfeed for games. Your installed apps and games will be in library. When you search for the app in search box, it shows results there itself. When you click on install, you will be directed to Play Store. As told earlier, library contains your installed apps. At the first you will have only these apps. Browser uses your system internet. Media Manager is used to maintain files in BlueStacks. Camera app uses your system webcam. You should check these settings for better performance. In Display tab, Resolution. Keep the resolution to your liking, and make sure to select 240 dpi, and the click engine. If you have good graphic card, select Performance in Graphic Engine, and open GL in Graphic Renderer. If don't have graphic card, select DirectX in Graphic Renderer, and Compactability in Graphic Engine. If you have graphic card it automatically picks it. And now, under Performance, choose the number of cores needed and choose the RAM that is half to your PC RAM. I have 8 GB RAM, so I choose 4 GB. If your PC is of high end, choose Enable High Frame Rates. After all complete, click Save and restart BlueStacks. Now let's install apps in BlueStacks. Here we're gonna show you both, installing only APK and APK plus OBB apps. So stick to it. 1. Only APK. Let's use Kinemaster for the demonstration. There are 2 ways to install only APK file in BlueStacks. 1. Click on the 3 dots. Click Install APK. Now navigate to your APK file location. Select it and click Open. The other way is, open the folder containing APK file and double-click the APK file, which will install the app in BlueStacks. You can open it and go ahead with your mobile work. 2. APK plus OBB. Let's use PUBG for demonstration. Open the file containing APK of an app and double-click to install to BlueStacks. Now open the app. This helps us to create a temporary OBB file in BlueStacks. After when you see screen like this, close the app. Now click on the icon shown. This will open an empty folder. Copy the OBB of the app and paste in the empty folder. Now close all files other than BlueStacks. In Library, open the Android setting, click on the Storage and scroll down for the Explore option. Now click on the Explore option. This will open the file manager for BlueStacks. Now open the folder named Windows, and navigate to Pictures. Here open the folder named BlueStacks. This folder contains the OBB file which is copied. Select the file and hold to mark it. At the upper right 3 dots, click Copy to. If you are not able to view any folder, follow us. Click the 3 dots and select Show Internal Storage. And now select the internal storage and navigate to OBB in Android. OAB. Now click the Copy option below. If your folder contained duplicates of the OBB file pasted, delete them and rename your file as shown. Now you can close the Android settings and play the game. That's all for this video. Help you learn something new. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like. We will be back on next Wednesday with Android video.